Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my recent trip to Cefalu Beach in Sicily. As soon as I arrived in Cefalu, I was blown away by the stunning views of the crystal clear water and the picturesque town. I couldn't wait to start exploring. I started my day by taking a walk along the beach, feeling the sand between my toes and listening to the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. The beach was long and wide, and the water was incredibly clear. The waves were gentle and the water temperature was perfect. I couldn't have asked for a better start to my trip. Next, I decided to rent a kayak and paddle out to the nearby rocky cliffs. The water was so clear that I could see all the way down to the bottom, and I even spotted some colorful fish swimming around me. As I approached the cliffs, I could see the many caves that had formed over time. The cliffs were so beautiful and impressive that I decided to stop and take some photos. After my kayaking adventure, I headed into town to explore the winding streets and charming cafes. The town was small, but full of life and character. The streets were lined with beautiful, colorful buildings, and there was a lively atmosphere everywhere. I couldn't resist trying some of the local cuisine, including arancini, a delicious fried rice ball filled with cheese and meat. I also had some amazing fresh seafood, which was caught just hours before I ate it. As the day went on, I continued to be amazed by the beauty of Cefalu. The sunset was especially breathtaking, with hues of pink and orange painting the sky. I found a quiet spot on the beach and just sat and watched the sunset, feeling completely at peace. The next day, I decided to take a boat trip around the coast. The boat was small, but comfortable, and the views were absolutely incredible. We passed by some beautiful rock formations and even stopped to swim in some secluded coves. The water was so clear that I could see all the way to the bottom, and the marine life was abundant. Overall, my trip to Cefalu Beach was an unforgettable experience, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a relaxing and beautiful vacation spot. The town and beach are perfect for anyone who loves nature, history, culture, and good food. As always, if you have any suggestions for future travel destinations or videos, please let me know in the comments. I love hearing from my viewers and getting new ideas for content. Before I go, I wanted to share some practical information about visiting Cefalu Beach. The best time to visit is during the summer months, from June to September, when the weather is warm and sunny. However, this is also peak tourist season, so be prepared for crowds and higher prices. If you're looking to save some money, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of May and October. The weather is still pleasant, and there are fewer tourists around. However, keep in mind that some businesses may be closed during this time. When it comes to accommodation, there are plenty of options in Cefalu. You can find everything from budget-friendly hostels to luxury resorts, depending on your preferences and budget. Just be sure to book in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Getting around Cefalu is fairly easy, as the town is small enough to walk around. However, if you want to explore further afield, you can rent a car or take public transport. Just be aware that parking can be difficult in the town center, especially during peak season. And finally, if you're planning to visit Cefalu Beach, be sure to bring plenty of sunscreen and insect repellent. The sun can be intense, and there are plenty of mosquitoes around. Also, be sure to respect the local culture and traditions, and dress appropriately when visiting churches or other religious sites. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of exciting trips planned for the future, and I would love for you to be a part of my journey. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you've been to Cefalu Beach yourself, I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Have you tried any amazing local food? Have you taken any interesting tours or excursions? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.